Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to create flat and curved mirrors for the Mirror Reflection Design Challenge. So here's Microsoft Word. This is 2004, but you'll get the general idea from what I'm doing, and I'll show you a screenshot of 2011 here in a minute. So what I'm going to do first is go to the View menu and look at my toolbars that are available. The one I'm interested in is the Drawing toolbar. So I'll click there and I get this toolbar, and there are a couple tools I'm going to use here. The line tool, the rectangle tool, the auto shapes tool, and the lines freehand line tool. So first let me click on this and drag. So that is my flat mirror basically. I can take another line and draw it here at an angle and have that be my light ray. Now it doesn't have an arrowhead on it, which I'm going to need for this challenge, so I'm going to right click, go to the bottom and click Format Auto Shape. So when I click that, I get a little dialog box here. And in the bottom right hand corner, I'm going to click the arrowhead. Again, this might be slightly different in your version of Word, but that's the general idea. Click, make an arrowhead, and there I go. And I can click and reorient the light ray and make it longer or whatnot. For the curved mirror, I can there's a freehand tool, but it's a little hard to use, and it creates, unless you're really good with drawing, it creates parabolic looking things, and if you don't click you can create something else there. What I like to use is the auto shape, specifically the circle auto shape. And if I click and draw a circle here, I can create concave and convex mirrors. Now this looks like a circle, so the trick I play is I get a rectangle and I draw over it, and I basically format it, again right clicking, format the auto shape, and I make the border, which is they call the line, make the border no line or no border. So then what I basically have is a transparent rectangle over a circle, which gives me a concave mirror. And if I click on this side and I have light rays coming in from the other side, I can have a convex mirror. And I'll draw a light ray here and format it again, give me a arrowhead, and I can also use the line tool to draw normal lines. So I'm going to draw in right here, and you're going to have to measure this with your protractor, but I'm guesstimating it's right about there. And then I'm going to right click to format it again. So that's a general trend, you right click to format. I'll make it dotted or dash there. And there's my dash normal line. Again, you'll have to check that with your protractor, because if you're off by a little bit, then your light rays might be off. Finally, I'm going to click on the text box here because we want to number in our challenge each of these mirrors randomly. In other words, don't number them in the order that they are hit, or else you're going to be giving away the maze. Right click it, and for some reason I'm not allowed to format it. I'm going to format this guy. Format the text box. And all I'm basically going to do is get rid of the border just to make it a little more cleaner. Get rid of this little guy. I'm not sure what that is. Move the text box around so I can put the number right where I want it. And there you go. The good thing about doing this electronically is once you create your entire maze, well, first of all, you can save as you work on it, but once you're done with the maze, then you can, for the project or the challenge, remove all the light rays and normal lines so that you have your blank version. That makes it a lot easier to work with. I have a screenshot here of Microsoft Word 2011. So in 2011, if you go to the Insert menu and click Shape, you get this Media dialog box. Then you have your straight lines with arrows. You have circles right here. When you draw shapes in 2011, though, it gives a shadow effect and they're colorized. No problem. You right click on it and look at the options there, and you can remove shadowing, you can remove borders, you can remove inside colors, so you can basically make it look exactly like we did right here. But again, on later versions of Word, it's Insert, Shape. This will pop up, and there's the shape option right there that's clicked. And you can click and choose from your different shapes here to make your flat and concave and convex mirrors. So that's a basic introduction into using Microsoft Word to draw flat and curved mirrors for your challenge.